up to 20 miles an hour. Really windy day today, up to 20 miles an hour, so the weather report says, and I can believe that from how this plane was struggling in the air. Nevertheless, it flew. The stability systems on this are fantastic. The gyro, it had stability mode nearly all the time, although I did accidentally launch in expert at one point. Managed to recover it, put on stability mode in time. I'm very impressed with these little planes, and the great thing is on a windy day it doesn't stop you flying. In fact, you can practice hovering. It gives you really good right stick skills because you can hold throttle and try and control that left, right, up and down with the right stick. I really enjoy these models in any weather. You can see even now the wind is there. I'm not sure how good this sound is. Incredible little planes. I do love them. I recommend them. Fantastic. It's just a different form of radio controlled flying. I think this sort of type is in its own category really, and they have almost indestructible qualities. Gotta love them.